to verify age in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. After you're in your account, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, on the left side, click on Account Info. After you click on Account Info, scroll down and you'll find Check Your Age to get more features. There are two options, continue with selfie or continue with ID. Simply select the one you prefer. I've selected ID. Now press on continue in here. Select your country and press on select. Then you'll find upload a photo ID. Select the one you prefer, as you'll find different options. You can use the camera from this app or continue on another device. After you do that, simply take picture of your government issued ID, and after Roblox verifies it, your age will be verified. This is how to verify age in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.